Greetings from Knappelskär, this beautiful, majestic nature and in touch with the Baltic Sea. It is a one-of-a-kind beach in Stockholm region, located in Nynäshamn. As you can see here, we have a beach that is facing east, and just few meters on the other side we have another beach that is facing west, so you can have sun all day long here in this beautiful nature. And here there is even sandy part on the beach as well. It's just majestic and beautiful, and in that direction there is even a sea cave, very well known in Stockholm, Knappelskärsgrottan, it's called. And now I'm a bit undecisive where should I go for a swim, but I think that the other side looked a bit more inviting. So let me just grab my stuff to get there. And I have already made one vlog from the sea cave. It was so much more amazing there because there is open sea. Here there are also a bit of other people as well. I was all alone there, and I'm heading back there after this vlog, but I really wanted to show you also the beach on this 2nd of July 2025. Currently it is 1:45 p.m. and here there is also a portion of rocks as well, but the main parts of the beach is basically pebbles and sand, and of course trees everywhere. Today's beach day number 47 on my Sweden beach adventures, and yeah, I am out exploring in Nynäshamn at Knappelskär, that is. So it's such a beautiful sunny day, perfect to explore the sea. And look at that, it's so beautiful. So let's then get going and take a swim in the sea. This beach that is facing west, it's even more beautiful if you ask me, as you are seeing the sun basically all day long. This is how it looks like. And on this 2nd of July there are very few people here. I remember when I was here last year, it was full of people, not just here on this more convenient beach, but also on the cliffs and the rocks where I was heading, where I was already earlier to today. Alright, so I measured to the sea earlier. On the open sea it was 15 degrees. Here it might be a bit warmer, or maybe not. It feels like this probably the same temperature, but I won't be measuring once again for sure. Now on this end it's a bit trickier actually to go in the water, as I remember on the other end there was a bit more sand, but I'm going here anyway. So yeah, beach adventures with Kris from Knappelskär. You can get here by public transport or by car actually if you go to Lofhagen, and from there is around 1.5 kilometer walk to get to this piece of beauty. So yeah, we are ready for a swim, and then we say ready, set, and go! It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, super clean and clear water. here at Knappelskär Beach, as I would like to call it. And nature all around, for sure. So yeah, that was the episode from the main Knappelskär Beach. I'm gonna go now back to the rocky part closer to the cave because it was much more beautiful and very less people. Actually none when I was there last, but I came here from there. So yeah, greetings from Knappelskär. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'm gonna dive in once again, but make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.